Hey Facebook fans, this is Princess Miller, owner of Princess Creative Productions LLC in Mobile, Alabama. Just want to take a quick moment to give a quick shout out to Mary Taylor of Better Day Credit Consulting. She had an excellent seminar called the Business Credit Building Seminar that took place in October. I was there working the event, but I learned a lot, and I know the people there learned a lot as well. I was listening as I was recording the event, but I took some of the principles that she talked about in that video, and I myself went back and implemented those principles and was able to go ahead and start my first 3 business accounts over $3,000. And I'm so super excited about starting my business credit. Been in business for a minute, never took the time or had the knowledge to be able to establish my own business credit, didn't know how to get started. And so attending that event, I was able to learn step by step what I needed to do in order to get my business set up and get my business credit going. And I'm just super excited to see where that's going to take my business and how it's going to help my business to grow. She's having another seminar. If you have a business, I'm telling you, if you have a business, you definitely want to attend this seminar. She's going to talk about how to start a business, business entity, how to get your business credit started without using your social security number. And that's the thing. A lot of people don't know that you don't necessarily have to use your social security number in order to get your business credit going. And so she's going to talk about what you need to do in order to get that credit started for your business. January the 11th, you definitely want to attend. Visit Eventbrite.com to find out more details and to get registered. Again, if you have a business, you definitely don't want to miss this business credit building seminar. I'll see you there.
The next Business Credit Building Seminar with Mary Taylor will be January the 11th at 4420 Government Boulevard. Get your tickets now at seminar.betterdayconsulting.com.